Hello, my dear friend. A warm good morning to all of you. First of all, I just want to say you sorry because for a long days I was not present to give you such wonderful videos. Yes, I am back and definitely today I will not waste any time and will complete past tense. Okay, and those people who already have not subscribed my channel, so I'm requesting you, you can subscribe so that you can get very good, interesting and informative videos regarding English learning. So it's an amazing journey. So definitely we can get a very good time spent. Okay, today we will discuss past tense. As I already told you, each and every tense is classified into four parts. So what are the four parts? Simple, okay, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, okay, okay. So indefinite or simple, okay. So when you can use it, right? Suppose those incident that already happened, okay, so any incident that already happened, okay, so definitely you can take the help of simple past tense. Okay, suppose I am giving example. I went to visit Taj Mahal. I went. Clear? So every time you have to use V2. Clear? So what is the format? First subject, then V2, then object. Clear? And suppose if you are making negative sentence, so that time what you have to do? So only you will take the auxiliary did. Okay. And after that, you have to use B1. Where maximum people are making the mistakes. Okay. So maximum people are telling like, I did not bend, but it's not possible, right? Because after did, okay, after do family, all time you have to use B1, okay. And as I already told you that every time you have to make four sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative. Clear? Okay. Suppose my sentence is I went to visit Taj Mahal. Clear? I did not go to visit Taj Mahal. Okay. Interrogative. That means I'm asking question. Did I go to visit Taj Mahal? Okay. Suppose negative interrogative question. Okay. So definitely your sentence will be, did I not go to visit Taj Mahal? Very easy. Okay. So all time, how you can practice? Clear? So four kinds of sentence you have to make that already I have discussed in present tense. Clear? So I went to school. I did not go to school. Did I go to school? Did I not go to school? Okay. Okay. And another thing I just want to say, suppose if you want to indicate some past habit, okay. Suppose you can say anything that you already did on regular basis. Okay. Suppose I used to dance in childhood. Clear? I used to worship in childhood. Okay. I used to respect my elders a lot. Okay. So used to. Okay. So any kind of habit of past days. So definitely you can use used to or would. Actually, we are considering would as our modals. Okay. So definitely you can use like this. I used to dance in my childhood. I used to gossip a lot with my friends, right? So lots of sentence you can use. Now we'll discuss continuous tense. As its name indicates, continuous, right? So definitely continuous means continuously going on. That action that is in progression. Clear? Suppose that time you are doing that particular thing. Okay. Suppose I was watching TV yesterday, right? Suppose I was going to market that time. You are talking with Ram on that particular street, right? So definitely, what should be your sentence structure? Subject. After that, was where as your auxiliary verb. After that, verb के साथ ing. After that, object. And as I told you, what is the best system of practice? All time, you will do 4 kinds of sentences as well. Clear? So I was watching TV. I was not watching TV. Was I watching TV? Was I not watching TV? Clear? I was watching TV. I was not watching TV. Was I watching TV? Was I not watching TV? Very simple, right? Okay. Right now, we will discuss past perfect tense, right? So when we can use past perfect tense? Okay. Suppose there is a mention of time. Okay. 2 incidents, right? 2 incidents that happened in earlier days. Okay. One happened earlier and another one happened later. Clear? One happened earlier, another one happened later. Suppose I am giving example. I had visited Taj Mahal before you came. Just see, 2 incidents. One incident, I had visited Taj Mahal, right? And another incident, you came. Okay. And I am adding these 2 sentences with the conjunction before. Okay. I had visited Taj Mahal before you came. The patient had died before the doctor came. We had reached the station before the train left. Okay. So every time we are using 2 sentences. Okay. One happened earlier. Okay. Comparatively earlier. Okay. Suppose these 2 incidents. One incident happened comparatively earlier and another one happened later. That time we can use this tense and it's the best usage, I can say. And all time what you will do, you will make 4 kinds of sentences. Okay, like the patient had died before the doctor came. So had died, that means this action happened earlier. Clear? The patient had not died before the doctor came. Had the patient died before the doctor came? Had the patient not died before the doctor came? So I am asking negative interrogative. That means I am asking for confirmation, right? I am asking for confirmation, right? So that is the thing. Okay. So if you are facing any kind of problem, okay, so please you can write some sentences, okay, in chat box so that I can correct your sentences. Okay, I'll be very glad to correct your sentence. Okay. And last one, past perfect continuous. Okay. So from its name itself, you can understand what it wants to say. Suppose past, that means already happened, right? Perfect, that means time is mentioned somehow. Continuous, as its name implies, that means it's in progression. Okay. Suppose if I am telling some action that was continuous, that was in progression, in process, right? Before some particular action, before some particular action. Suppose I had been doing the task before you came. Simple. I had been visiting Taj Mahal before you came. So definitely you can understand. So definitely you can understand that one action that was in progression, okay, before some action, okay. So time is somehow mentioned, okay, time is somehow mentioned, right? So in that case, you can use past perfect continuous, okay, and every time you can make 4 kinds of sentences. I had been playing in the ground before my teacher came. I had not been playing in the ground before my teacher came, right? Had I been playing in the ground before my teacher came? Had I not been playing in the ground before my teacher came? That means I am asking for confirmation. Every time we are using 4 kinds of sentences. Why so? Affirmative, that means you are giving statement, right? Like yes, Negative, that means you are telling no, it's not like that. Interrogative, that means you are asking for information, right? And negative interrogative, that means you are asking for confirmation, right? Okay, so very soon we will meet again in my new upcoming video. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and we will meet. Tata.